What happened to this bus? From January to April in seconds. Chaos. Chaos. Just chaos. Okay, so good morning, people. Good morning here from Jaisalmer. I was just staying at this hotel, and there is a fort in the background. How awesome is that? Amazing, right? Okay, we are off. It's a little bit late, I would admit, but then to pack everything again and then checking out of the hotel. I have no issues with the hotel I stayed. The only thing that I would mention is that their service, the hotel staff, and the process they actually follow, like the billing actually took a little bit of time. I would definitely admit that somewhere it's my fault as well, that I should have gotten up early. But then again, I was a little bit tired yesterday. Oh, feels good. A lot of foreigners I have seen. The plan for today, alright, I think I have made it to the outskirts of Jaisalmer. Jaisalmer is a very small city, let's say this, compared to Jodhpur, Jaipur, even Bikaner, I would say. But yeah, Bikaner is also relatively small. But compared to Jodhpur and Jaipur, it's quite a little small city. Like I have ridden only how much? I guess 4, 5, maximum 10 minutes, and I'm out of the city. So as I said, I haven't planned anything for the day, but yeah, like I would try to ride as far as possible, or just stay in Jodhpur. That's my primary target. Okay, mandatory stop after few kilometers. I do this often to make sure my straps are in place. If there is something wrong, I can still go back and rectify it. Highly encouraging. Just make a 5-minute stop after traveling, I don't know, 10-15 kilometers. Oh, it's already getting sunny. Like I'm stopping for, let's say, 5 minutes, and when this heat, I'm traveling from January to April in seconds. Yeah, maybe it's wise to go with the visor today. Still a little bit. Yeah, good place to stay in. Jaisalmer was great. Like, I did accomplish what I wanted from Jaisalmer on my this trip. And I'm saying this trip because yes, it's a place that you can visit more than once. Because if you want to cover it all, you won't be able to do so in one single trip. And frankly, in my opinion, it does ruin the experience. Like for example, if you're staying in the city for one or the trip like I did, so you could explore a little bit farther areas like Longewala, Tanot, and you can also explore the city area like the Jaisalmer Fort, which I wasn't able to, but I had my other itinerary. So, and I only had one day. So if I'm here 2 days or maybe 3 nights, then obviously one day you can explore in the city, one day you can explore on the outskirts place, and then you're good to go. On the other hand, on the next trip, what I would suggest, like the second trip, what you can do, again come for 2 or 3 nights. On first day you can visit the sand dunes, explore the camel safari, the jeep safari, and the cultural programs that happen in all the resorts and camps that are in place. And then on the second day, what you can do, you can either go to that Tanot, Longewala, or you can go to some more remote areas or the authentic, to gain the authentic experience. You can go to Khuri, you can go to the Barmer side area and explore a little bit where the authentic vibes. So it's all up to you. If you are combining these two in a single trip, you can do so, of course, but to get the most advantage of that, I'll suggest the other way. Okay, cut is coming up. Oh, I'm worried because there's supposed to be this road is supposed to divert. And when I say divert, it means it will cut into two halves. That's what I'm saying. The road will divert into two directions. One goes to Barmer and one goes to Jodhpur. And I do not want to go to Barmer currently. That's for future. Okay, so here we are on the cut. Quite a few shops here, didn't expect that. Oh, there's our camels. So much of them. Hey guys, hungry enough? Didn't have breakfast? It was breakfast time for them. Oh, these are very tricky situations. are those? Oh, it's for bird feeding and staying. Never thought so. A good temple. Okay, this is a good area because as you see, you are seeing both of them. There are that yellow stones and the red soil, or I can say if you dig around, and red stones as well. And if you look closely on the architecture, all the buildings, all the forts, all the constructions in Jaisalmer and surrounding area were from that yellow stones. And all the construction, buildings, forts, monuments, everything that you see in Jodhpur is all in red. See, here you can see the mixture of the two. The actual stones in this part of the area are neither red nor yellow. It's kind of an orangish shade. Oh, what happened to this bus? Okay, so just had the lunch here. Earlier I thought I'll have lunch in Jodhpur. Turns out, I was hungry enough. Yeah, the tea was good. A good restaurant, good location. Sand dunes in the distant. So we still have a lot of time because it's only 2:15 and we are just 90 kilometers away from Jodhpur. Good curvy roads, huh? There it is, the Amritsar Jamnagar Expressway. I'm not sure if it is complete all the way to Jamnagar, but it's actually a straight line drawn from Amritsar directly to Jamnagar. So like, swoosh, a straight line. You can look at it in the map as well. And I'm pretty sure they won't allow bikes to go to. Okay, so yeah, look at that. It's almost 4 p.m. in the evening, and with that beautiful hills coming up, these should be part of the Aravalli range. We are here in Jodhpur. Yeah, I thought we can push to Pushkar, or what we can do, we can rest for a while in Jodhpur. But even if I rest for let's say take a break for an hour or so, then also I am reaching Pushkar by not before 9 p.m. Not because of the traffic or the range that I have in my bike, but because of the roads. The roads, there are two roads actually. One goes from the national highway, which goes from via Ajmer, but that is around 60 kilometers or so. The same distance that we have traveled so far. So yeah, that is not good enough. To travel at night onto such highway is not recommended at all, believe me. I have been from that highway before as well, and it's quite open, like the same it was from Ternot to Jaisalmer. Like you'll find absolutely nothing. Few or the other villages, but no major cities as such, and the highways are also not so great at some places, and it goes right through the village, so there are a lot of speed bumps and whatnot. So I decided, yeah, let's stay in Jodhpur today. What we'll do is we'll try to explore something. I'll find out something over there. I have already booked my hotel while camera was off, and I took a break for a while. So yeah, I've already been to Mehrangarh, and I've already been to the other monuments as well in Jodhpur, as I reflected earlier as well. So there is no point of me going there again in less than 6 months or so. So what I'll do for you guys is include this awesome cinematic footage which I took from my last visit. So please enjoy. Okay guys, so how was it? Do drop a comment with Jodhpur with a red heart if you like the cinematic shot, and maybe I'll visit someday again in honor of that. Okay, meanwhile I have left the highway. and I'm almost at my hotel. It's around 10 kilometers from here. And the roads I was talking about, just look at the road. Yeah, so it's going to be like this until the whole Ajmer. So you cannot reach much speeds. So even if I try to speed up and push little bit to Pushkar, it's not possible. If the roads are like this, you cannot go over 60, let alone 80. So yeah, that was the major reason as well. Let me ask you guys a question. Which city do you think is the largest in Rajasthan? If you want to know the answer, just Google it. But it's not what you think. Chaos. Chaos. Just chaos. This is one thing that absolutely gives me nightmares when I'm in Jodhpur. The traffic here is insane. Look at that. Chaos. I can go faster, but I'm a little bit scared. Like, see, I'm absolutely scared about that. Somebody will just cut me through from the right. Okay, the signal is green, good to know. It's only 3 kilometers away, but still it's showing me around 10 minutes. Guess the reason for that. Where is it? Oh, here is it. Good, I can request a parking.